All right, step one, you've got to remove the old shower head. I needed to use a pair of pliers to get it loose, but I got it off of there. Then you've got to put Teflon tape on all of the ends that have threads that are steel. Don't put it on the plastic ones, only the steel ones. So I had about 3, 6, 7 different spots where I had to do that because this thing has got a lot of connections on it. So make sure you get that Teflon on there. That'll keep it from leaking. Got everything taped on here, right? Tape here, 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 and on there. So I've got it, when I get finished, I want this down and this to the side. So I'm going to put the first connector in, and I'm turning it clockwise to get it nice and tight, and notice the attitude of the two junctions. Next, we're going to put Teflon on all of the connecting pieces that go onto the one that we just screwed into the wall. Teflon all the way around on here, right? And then I'm going to put the wand attachment onto this descending pole, and notice the attitude that I put it in. The button's on the top. It tells you which way it's supposed to go. That's up. All right, so this has a little washer in it, and it's going to go on the bottom here. So we could go ahead and just put it on right now. You follow me? Just like that. Then we're going to have to crank it down a little bit. They give you this little doohickey here that you can do it with, right? I think. But we may have to crank it down once we get it on there. You know what I mean? I think that's good. Now we can go ahead and put this up there. All right, so I'm going to put a washer in here first before I put it on there. So now I got the washer and the Teflon, so let's go ahead and do it now. So here I am. I'm going to get up on here, and I want to go clockwise. It looks like it's doing pretty good. Get around tight. And this, see, we can spin. So we're going to be cool. So now I got to attach the hose from here to here. There's two of these. One's shorter and one's longer. So the shorter one is the one that we're going to use from here to here. And then on the end, you get this little thing you got to take off on both sides. So you got to unscrew this. And that keeps that washer in there. So you're going to go counterclockwise with it, right? To get it unscrewed. Okay, we're good. So we got two washers. We're ready to go. Let's just go and try to get this one started here, right? So we got to go clockwise with it. And so I'm just turning this clockwise, and I did it to both sides of it. And I'm not cranking it completely down. I'm just, getting it on there. I'm going to put the other one on now too. And it's the exact same process. You have to remove and unscrew those two caps that protect the washers. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead. And these, what's cool about this is that these turn independently of the hose. So we can just go ahead and get it on there. And we're going clockwise again to see which way my fingers are turning. Just like that. Pretty simple, right? And this is plastic, so I'm not putting the Teflon on here. I'm just going to put this on here like this and twist it. And bam. Now this would go right here. You follow me? I guess that's it right there. That's how it sets in there. And again, we've got to unscrew this, and there should be a washer in there. And there is. I've got to get it right on here, and I'm going to go clockwise with it. Just got to get it started. All right, we're looking good. So far, so good. So next, I'm going to use the wrench that they give me to crank down all of these connections and make sure that they're nice and tight so that they don't leak any water. And this fits almost all of them except for the head. For this, I used a pair of needle nose pliers to lock it down and get it nice and tight. And then we can lock in the position here. We can lock the position in here for this. Maybe this is the top. Maybe I got it backwards. Let's try that. I mean, I can't get much tighter than that. Let's turn it on, see what happens. All right, let's try this. All right, that seems to work, right? That looks good. I think I did a good job. So you're getting this and that at the same time. Nice, and it's strong. Just want that, bam. Turn it off, bam. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.